Good morning everyone, happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the week now, only half a week to go until the weekend. Well done, you're doing so well so far with your remote learning as well. Let's get started with our phonics for the day with our flashcards. Shh. J j j j j. E. Wah. E. Ah. O. Ear. Ow. O. Ooh and you. Great job, keep going. Air. I. O. Oi. A. Ch. Great job. O. I. E. Oh, fantastic. Z. Qua. Brilliant. Your. E. Wah. Brilliant. Ooh. A. Ooh and you. Ooh and you. I. Z. V. O. Oi. Good job. X. Brilliant. A. Ow. Ooh and you. Yeah. Fantastic, everyone. Great job. Let's move on to our phase 5 tricky words. You should be getting the hang of them now. We're doing them every day. Mr. Mrs. People. Oh. Called. Could. Asked. Looked. There. Good job. And then yesterday we looked at a different there. We looked at there as in over there. Today we are going to be looking at a new common exception word, okay? Our common exception word today is where. What do you notice about there that we looked at yesterday and where that we're looking at today? You're right, they both make an air sound at the end and they're both spelt the same at the end with the E-R-E ending. Where and there. Have a go at writing where down on your paper. Where. Let's have a go at writing it together. And then we've got that. E-R-E. Where. The word is where. Good job, everyone. Where and there this week. Let's move on to our alternative pronunciation of today. Today we will be looking at this grapheme. What sound do we already know that it makes? Great job. We know that it can be pronounced with a k sound. Today we are learning that sometimes it can make another sound. The other sound that it can sometimes be pronounced as is s. Can you all say that? S. Great job. When we see this grapheme before an E, an I or a Y, it's pronounced with a s sound. Let's have a go at reading a word where it makes this sound. City. City. Great job. Have a go at the next one. Icy. Icy. Great job. Cinema. The word is cinema. Great job. Okay, last one. Triceps. Fantastic work, everyone. We had our alternative I in there as well, didn't we? Fantastic. Triceps. Okay, I think it's time to read a sentence. Here's my sentence here. Can you find my common exception word in it? You're right, it's right at the beginning here. Where? Let's read the whole sentence. Where shall we cycle in the city? Where shall we cycle in the city? Let's have another look at this word cycle. Why do you think that at the beginning we pronounce this grapheme with a s sound, and then in the middle we pronounce it with a k sound? Exactly. If you remember, I said we pronounce this grapheme with a s sound when it is followed by an E, an I or a Y. So at the beginning of a cycle, it's followed by a Y. So it's going to make a s sound. In the middle here, it's not followed by an E, it's not followed by an I, and it's not followed by a Y. So we're still going to pronounce it with the k sound. Fantastic, everyone. I think that we are ready to do some writing. The first word that I would like you to write is ice. Ice. With our split digraph I. Ice. Okay, let's have a go at writing it together. Ice. Now I've got my split digraph I, which means that I have an E followed by my letter C, which is why it makes the S sound. Ice. The next word I would like you to write is cement. Cement. Write the word cement. Okay, let's do it together. Now I can see that my C is followed by an E, so it's made the S pronunciation. Cement. Okay, the next word I would like you to write is centre. Centre. Now the end of centre is a bit weird. We hear an sound, but it's actually the other way round, and it looks like re. So, looks like centre, but we don't say centre, we say centre. Let's have a go at writing it together. So we're starting off with that S pronunciation that we know we write with a C. S, N, T. And it makes an sound, but we're writing it with a centre. Great job. Okay, one last word, I think. Let's write the word city, just like Claude in the City. City. Okay, let's do it now. Let's do it together. So we've got that pronunciation right at the beginning because it is followed by an I. And we've got an E sound at the end, which we write with a Y. City. Fantastic job, everyone. Well done. Those were some tricky words. I think that we could write some sentences now. Your first sentence is, where is that accent from? Where is that accent from? Okay. Have a go. Remember to do your capital letters, finger spaces, and punctuation. Am I telling you where the accent's from, or am I asking? I'm asking, so I need a question mark. Well done. Let's write it together. Capital W. It's my common exception word that we're practicing today. Where is that the accent? Now we can hear ak at the beginning, so let's start with that. And then we can hear scent. So we've got our pronunciation of s that is made when it is followed by an So here it's quite interesting. We've got our k pronunciation followed by our s pronunciation. Accent. Where is that accent from? O, and I need a question mark at the end because I'm asking you a question. Okay, next sentence. Where is the nearest cinema? Where is the nearest cinema? Remember your capital letters, finger spaces, and I'm asking a question, so I need a question mark. Right, starting off with that common exception word again. Where, capital W. Where is the nearest ear cinema? So I've got that s pronunciation at the beginning. S, I, N, E, ma. Ending with a question mark. Where is the nearest cinema? Great job. Well done, everyone. It's fantastic that you're all practicing your alternatives. Well done. We've got one more sound to do this week, tomorrow. So I'll look forward to doing that with you then. Bye.